I look hot mess because I just woke up. And I need to get back to the way I was before with like working out. And it's like 9 o'clock. And this week I'm gonna try like really hard to get back to like working out and eating better. I've been like eating really bad lately, like binging and like all this stuff. I still fast like from like 12 to 8, but still like what I'm eating in between isn't really good. So I need to get back to like, you know, eating better and meal prepping and all that stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing that. I don't know what happened in like 2 months. I feel like after we came back from like vacation, because I like had a goal to like, you know, lose weight and stuff, to like be able to like look good by a certain day or whatever. And now I'm just like, whatever, I like feel fine. Like, you know, I made it to like one goal weight that I look okay. So yeah, but I need to change that. And I'm looking crazy because I washed my hair last night and I just let it air dry with like products and stuff. But yeah, so I'm gonna go to the gym and then come back home, probably meal prep early. I don't know, we'll see. And then I need to film a video. This is how I'm feeling about videos. I feel like I need to put this camera down because my arm. Okay. I don't know how good the lighting is right now, but don't mind the mess. My pillows are here because my bed's not done, but I don't make my bed every day, so. I'm gonna put some chapstick on. So yeah, I've just been like really slacking on like the working out department, and it's not good at all. Like, I know when I work out I do feel good, and when I eat better I feel good too. So I just like need to get back to that. But anyway, I was talking about YouTube videos. So I feel like when I do makeup videos, it's like nice, you know, like I like to do makeup. So when I feel like I do like makeup tutorials, like I like doing them, I like doing looks and stuff, but I feel like I like, even like me watching videos, I like watching people that are like talking about their lives and like just vlogs in general. Like I like watching those more than I do like makeup videos. And I think maybe it's because like, not to say like I'm the best, but I know how to do a smoky eye, so I'm not gonna watch how to do a smoky eye. But like if I'm learning how to like do a certain look, I'll go and watch it. But that's because I've been playing around with makeup for like so long. So I understand like there's people that are like now just wanting to learn how to like play with makeup, or people who like want to learn more about it. So I just feel like I don't know what direction I want to do with like videos and stuff, and also like vlogging. So like I don't do a lot of stuff in my life. Like I don't do a lot. So I work 3 days a week, and like those days obviously like I'm not gonna vlog because I'm working, I'm busy, so like I'm not gonna record those days. So the days that I'm off, I'm not really doing much. Like basically I really just clean, because I'm like a clean freak. Every day I have to clean something because I dirty it anyway. Like I make a mess, so that's my fault. But and then like doing laundry, like cooking, and then I haven't been working out, so that's not in the schedule. I don't really do much during the day, and like a lot of people that I watch, they're like shopping and stuff, and like I don't know, like going out and like having a camera. I don't know how I feel about that yet, because like people are probably gonna stare at me, and I don't like when people stare at me in general. So I don't know, like, and I don't want to just like vlog in my house because I don't know how entertaining that is. I mean, like I could watch people like all day like be in their house and just like film in their house, but like I don't know how entertaining I would be. So I don't know if I like need to find like ideas and like just write things down and like see like, okay, maybe I could do something like this, like do something fun. Like I don't want my channel to be like boring and just like makeup. Like not that there is anything wrong with it, because I like those too, but I just want to do other things as well. Like that's just the type of person I am. Like I like doing more creative things. I like DIY stuff. I don't know. It's just like when I let me catch my breath. When I do like vlogs with my family, like when we're doing stuff, like I even watch back those videos because like I love watching them. Like I like being with my family. They're always a good time. So like those videos I like to make more, and I also like to edit those more. Like I feel like I get more creative with them for some reason. I don't know. But with like with makeup videos, I can't get like too creative with it, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna go to the gym. I don't know if I'm gonna bring my camera because I don't know who's gonna be there. And again, like I feel weird like filming myself work out. Also because I haven't been consistent, so I'm not really doing good at the gym. I'm just not. Like I'm not being consistent. I'll go like once a week or something, and it's like it's so bad. So like it kills me when I go back to the gym. Like my workouts are like dead. Like I'm dead. Like leave me on the ground because it's hard. Yeah, let me stop rambling and get to it. I just finished doing like this quick look right here. Let me put some oil in my hair. For like a tutorial, something quick, you know, just to put something out that like people would want to see. Because I mean the glam looks are fun, but like some of us don't have time for those glam looks. I mean, I don't even have time for those glam looks unless I'm going somewhere, or I'm doing it for a video. But normally I don't do too much to my face. I don't wear too much makeup. And then if I do, like, this is what I would do. Like the one night I went out with my husband and my uncle to watch a UFC fight at like a bar restaurant type of thing, and I put this on my face just so I look a little bit more like put together, and that's basically it. Or like if I'm going somewhere and I need to be like quick and looking more put together, this is what I do. I'm just gonna clean up my mess. Also, Today I'm just like cleaning and organizing. I love organizing. It's a pain in the butt though because it takes me a while, but I just love to organize. It's kind of annoying though because it takes a while, and then by the end of the day I'm like, why did I start that? Today is one of those days that I feel inspired to organize, and one of the places that I want to organize is my closet. We live in a 1-bedroom apartment and it's small, so like everything's tiny, like the closet is tiny, you know, all that stuff. Yeah, everything is like small, so we don't have like much like storage space to like store anything, so we have to like make do with what we have. And like we do have like a lot of stuff, but I also like to get rid of a lot of stuff. So this is our closet. That's my side. All that. This is my side. These are clothes that I need to like organize and laundry. And then this is my husband's side. Ah, I know. I'm ridiculous. And then here is our hats, our belts, and then like my purses. And then this has like, you know, socks, underwear, bras, workout bras, stuff like that. So it's just, it's so small in here. And then, oh god, see, everything's falling everywhere. Then I have like my nail polish. I have like a memory box there, a dress that I wore for my aunt's wedding, and then like more like bags, like bigger bags here, and then like a teddy bear. So this like just, I can't. Like this makes me crazy. And so that blue thing that was in here, so this here was out here, but it just looked cluttered because I have like my wedding dress and then my husband's like suit, and then I have like these fairy wings that I wore for like I forget where it is, like some kind of like fair, like a pirate fair type thing. Oh, Pirate Fest. Yeah, they do Pirate Fest. And then I have like a pillow that my mom got us, which I love so much. And then that used to be like my old vanity chair. So now it just looks, let me close this so you guys can see. And then that's like for product stuff. Like I thought it was so cute, and I might use it for Christmas. I mean, that's what it's for, Christmas decor. But still figuring out what to do with that. But I just leave it there just so it doesn't get ruined. It looks cleaner over here now that I have like the stuff inside of the closet, but now it just looks like super cluttered, like so much stuff. I'm probably gonna regret this process only because I just take too long and then I get rid of clothes. And yeah, also I put my hair in a braid because this is literally my life.
If you argue, you know you can go and leave. There's a difference between other guys and me. I know you can make it, you know I believe. You can't even get it on a high tree. If you argue, you know you can go and leave. There's a difference between other guys and me. I know you can make it, you know I believe. You can't even get it on a high tree. Numb the poison going through my veins. Numb the poison.
Finally finished the closet. Oh, it just looks so much better. Obviously that stayed the same. I'm not doing anything with that. It's just the clothes. So here is everything all folded nice and neat. And then this just stays here because I still don't know where to put everything. We have a storage outside, but I had this out there and it started smelling like outside and I hate that smell. So, and then this is all cleaned up. And then it's at my husband's side. Put like his sandals there. And then his boxers and socks are here. This is our closet. Also, I got these hangers from Amazon. It came in like a big box of like a bunch of them, I think like 20. And then these are like boot hangers, but I put my shorts on there. because there's no way that shorts can hang with these. So yeah, that's pretty much my closet until we move and get a bigger place. My hair got all like messed up, but what else is new? I think that's pretty much it that I'm gonna be doing today. I'm still doing laundry, so I'm still like washing and folding, and then guess I'll start editing. So yeah, that's pretty much it. See you guys later. Bye.